Good day, everybody. Due to a few requests, they wanted an update. Like I said, I would be giving an update way back when we had the place full of boxes and whatnots, and I was given it a couple of this is where that's going to go, this is where that's going to go type thing. I think there's only one item that went where we planned, was my rowing machine. Anyway, yeah, so this is the update on my new home. So let's go inside. Yes, my reef is still on. So yeah, there's a bit of snow still outside, just a bit actually. It's not too bad. Anyway, so there we go. I'm gonna flip this over, and Bear is outside, inside, waiting for you guys. Flippy. There you go. We're going in. Hey, Bear. So this is actually this room is as planned. We have Kelly's sewing room or tailoring room and workshop area. So as we planned, we're ironing boards over there so that we could oversee the area. And then we have the cat bed where the little cat, hey, how you doing, guy? And her sewing machine table and the dog bed. So that would be the mud room area, and that would be the workshop area. She's got several contracts on the go right now. And then we go into the kitchen. Remember way back when there was this gorgeous wood stove, the green wood stove? Well, it ain't there no more. So the wood stove was no good. The insurance wouldn't touch it at all, and it was just a big paperweight, so we decided to get rid of it, and we got ourselves new to us from a friend, and we got this one, and that one there is actually works, and it's all good. So we have a tarantula on our table because it's just the pants, yeah. That's a Lacey thing. She's into bugs. I like games. So yeah, Kelly's going to repair the box. Well, I'm going to help her, but Kelly's going to repair the box, and so that she could display that. So there you go. Moy number 1. And you've seen the armoire that was there before. It's gone. So we got this one there now. Kitchen is the same as it was. Well, there is a cake there. That's Lacey's birthday cake. And voila. So now we're going to go into the dining room. In the dining room, the plan was, I believe, we said that the loom would go there, I think. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think we said the loom would go there, but it's a cat tree. And the toads, which you can't see because they're in there down there. The windows are pretty dirty, but it's back there. You can't tell. Okay, so they're cane toads. Cane toads, yeah. Yeah. Buffalo American or Buffalo Marine. And we have our table, which is reduced in size. It has no leads in it right now. This is the small table. It accommodates 6 people without the leads. It accommodates 10 people when we have full extension. And we have a wine on the go right now. So this is the library. That's what happened when you have 2 students in the same room, and I'm not one of them. And we have our beautiful Moible. Oh, I forgot to mention. This is a $5,000 chandelier. Not really. It was $5 at a yard sale, but after we did the electrical of the house, because we did we redid the whole electrical, it became a $5,000 bill. So that's our 5,000. That's a joke. It's a $5,000 chandelier. So this one here is an oil lamp, actually. That's an oil lamp that we got in Halifax way back when. And yeah, it's really nice when it's lit. Yeah, that's the fake stereo. It's the husk of a stereo. We have a Bose inside there, so it sounds real nice. And here we have the TV room. So that's my chair. And the TV. And the sofa. And yeah, some artwork. Pieces of the loom. And there you go. This is the TV room. And here is the main entrance. We covered this because in the winter, when the wind was blowing, we felt a draft. So what we did is we put a curtain rod and a heavy curtain in front, and it cut the draft drastically. So we have to do some work on that door. And voila, the shelving unit. And it used to be an organ, a wind organ, but now it's kind of a desk. Purdy. And here we are in the control center. We call it the control center. That would be Lacey's desk right over there. That would be Kelly's desk right over there. And that would be my desk right over here. My setup. And this is what we see. There you go. You are the first one to see the full view of all of the cameras in the barn area. So right there you have the chicken area. Right down there you got the goat area. You got the main entrance to the barn. From the barn and driveway. And that would be where the sheep resides, right there. Anyway, so that's my corner of the room. So you got some of the hats that of the units I served with. There you go. That's some of the hats, just some, because there's many that we did not have hats like this when we were sailing on. we used to wear a beret. And that's my shadow box from my service in the forces. And voila. So now I'll go up the stairs. Up the stairs. Spare bedroom, which is also my DVDs and some CDs and a lot of movies. That's this is the spare bedroom. So like I said in the first video, if you come and visit, this is where you're going to be staying. It's called the pink room also. And over here we got our bedroom. And like I said, the only thing that went where I said it would is my rowing machine. It's right there. The Hall of Mirrors, the scene that never ends. Let's see if I can get that done. Not really. Okay. And there's our bed. The lovely view from down there. It's very bright. The snow is melting right now, so it's kind of sort of foggy. So that's our bedroom. Not much change. Eventually we'll get her. That's the evil us's. before we got married. And then we go into this is the hallway. The bathroom, which did not change. It's still the same bathroom, same bat moment, same bat channel. And hey, there's a Lacey on bed.
Yes.
This is Lacey's bedroom, and you've seen that. If you haven't seen that, this is Lacey's bedroom after we finished it.
Did some work.
Yeah, we did a bit of work. And you could hear the turkey outside. Blah, 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 blah. And voila. Doop. Ta-da! That's the tour. That's the grand tour. Oh, yeah, that part there is not done yet. Eventually, I'll get off my ass and get a piece of wood. It's a 1x1 that I need. That's all I need. A 1x1 to flush out this end, this bit right there. And if I could flush this out, I could put the other piece right there, and it's going to be complete. There you go. Anyway, so you didn't see that. Yeah, at least you didn't see that.
You didn't see that. It's funny because I forget it's there too. Because you just don't look that way.
So yeah, so that's the tour. That's the updated tour. I'll be putting that, and I'll put a link to the "This Is My House" video, and so you could have a look at that one, and you could come back to this one and see the difference. Okay. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and the dingly bell to see when there's a new one coming. Later.